What's up, guys? Let's go over the watch list, what I'm watching today. Streaming out to YouTube today as well. So you guys can see my screen if you want to. But let's go over the watch list and what I'm watching today. So let's kind of level set with where we're at right now. We had data come out this morning. And the wages came in hotter than estimated, as did the job numbers. Which is what the Bears want, right? Because it's not good for the Fed. Basically, what I think it means is that we're not going to see the rate cuts until the end of Q1 in the March timeframe or beginning of Q2. And then we're also seeing a sharp rise in the 10-year yields and the mortgage rates and the US dollar, which I think is going to affect some equities to the downside, or at least that's what I kind of thought early on in pre-market. And so with that, it's going to be pretty volatile today. And so the biggest thing that we have to remember is let's just find the relative strength and weakness and then ride the trend, right? That's the easiest way to make money in the markets. So that's what I just want to level set there with you guys, right? The data was good for the economy, but I think it was bad for inflation in the Fed. And I think we are going to, like I said earlier in chat, I think we're going to see a bounce at some point today. And we're getting it right now in pre-market. So now the names that I'm watching going into the open, first one's going to be Rivian. Let me pull the chart up. Rivian, we're underneath a huge key level. We broke down through a key level last night, and I'm kind of upset I didn't see this happen yesterday. That 966 is a huge daily level on Rivian. And so if Tesla ends up selling today and we get sells across the EV sector, Rivian's going to be a top focus short for me today. Now we're trending up on a lot of these names right now. Going into the open, a lot of names are trending up. We're seeing a lot of bullish EMA crossovers. So right now, I don't think it's going to be an opening drive short. We'll see what we get at open, but Rivian's a top watch short for me if Tesla sells today. Next is going to be Apple. So if you look at Apple's hourly chart, we do have a nice downtrend. A really, really nice downtrend on the hourly. And I'm going to drop this in the premium chat for you guys so you can see that. Give me 1 second. I'll drop it here for you. This is a top focus for me, upside Apple. So you can see that's a really nice hourly downtrend on Apple. And if we break out over that, we've got room up to 183 and then 185, in my opinion. We're getting stuffed right now at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. But again, we are in a nice trend. We've got trend and momentum on our side to the upside going into open here on Apple. So Apple long is going to be a top focus watch for me. So let me just kind of what I said here, right? We've got the hourly. If we break out on the hourly downtrend, and if this happens, I think that overall tech could see a really nice uplift today for some Firework Friday. But if we can't get over the 200 EMA and we can't get over this hourly downtrend, I would expect that we can sell back down. QQQ is the same read for me as what Apple is. So if we go to QQQ, very, very similar. We're kind of at the 200 EMA right now. We're near pre-market highs. If we can break over pre-market high, we break over the 200 EMA. I think we make that run back to 397, which is the level that we played yesterday, the same exact level. So I'm going to be watching QQQ to break out over 397.40, just like it did yesterday. And then I'm going to look for that same move that happened yesterday where we move back towards 400. If we can't break 397.40, then I'm not interested in getting long into QQQ, but it's going to be the same exact setup that we had yesterday. And those contracts went about 115%. Now, the last name on the watch list from an individual name perspective is going to be NVIDIA. NVIDIA is looking really, really good right now. And this one is the one that has the most relative strength out of all the names that I kind of looked at this morning. The reason being for that is, we're way over the 200 EMA. We've got the bullish EMA crossover that happened early this morning on our EMAs. We're starting to spread out, and, NVIDIA has a chance to run back towards prior day high. If we can break out over this 483.50 spot, we've got a chance to go get 485. And then over 485, I don't have anything until 488. And then I think we'll test that the daily uptrend that we were in. So NVIDIA does look really good here. I think someone mentioned it, so I'm going to be watching that name. Outside of that, I don't really have a ton of names on the watch list, guys. I think what I'd like to do is just kind of see where the strength and where the momentum's at. The other name, the dark horse name, I think that Swaggy and I talked about last night is going to be Peloton. It's up 7% right now. So this is the dark horse candidate for me to actually go parabolic and go nuclear today. We're up 7% right now in pre-market. If we can break out over let's call it 660, 670. Like I think this name can go crazy. We could see a push all the way back to the eights. If we look at the daily trend, if you guys are on the YouTube here, let me show you kind of what I'm watching. We are super, super coiled on this name right now. And I'll drop this in premium chat for you guys as well. Right. But there's a reason here. Multiple support and resistance flips on this name. If you just look left on the chart, let me drop this in premium for you guys so you can see it. That 665, 666, 67 level, like that level is crazy. Once we get over that level, I think we could see a really, really nice push up into the 750 area. And if that happens in a day, I think we'll see, you know, a nice 100, 200, 300, maybe even a 500% trade on Peloton, being that it's a zero day. So we'll see what we get here, but that's what I'm going to be watching on Peloton. So tech to the upside looks good going into the open. Peloton is the dark horse candidate to go nuclear today to the upside. As always, I like to come into the day and just kind of let you guys know kind of where we're at. But right now we're trending up. Everything's trending up right now. Meta does look really good, Daru, for sure. I like Meta. Yeah, we break that 347.31 level. We could see a nice move back to yesterday's high at, what is yesterday's high? 348.15. Yeah, and it's trending really nicely too. New highs in pre-market on QQQ now. NVIDIA is looking good. A lot of names looking good. And if the crypto names, if the Bitcoin ETF gets approved, crypto is going to go crazy. Piton might be the play just to smack $7 calls and let it ride all day like QS did yesterday. So he's going to do it. Yeah, and then the hourly on Apple looks good. Really looks really good too. 200 EMA test on SPY here. I don't think we actually know when they make the Bitcoin decision, Jay Coolio. I think everyone's anticipating it happening soon. NVIDIA getting a pump into open, guys. Over 484 now. Keep your eyes on 485. If we reject 485, it's probably back down to 481. But if we take 485, this name has room to 488 and then 490. But I'm gonna get my charts ready going into the open. We've got about a minute and 30 seconds until market opens. Apple looks really good, guys. Watch Apple right here, guys. I'm looking at the 182.5s on Apple. I got filled on Apple 182.5s, guys. I got filled at $62 a contract. I think I might take weeklies. Swaggy on Piton. It's just risky taking this. I'm gonna wait till we get the breakout. Nvidia going crazy, guys. 47 now. Meta with the nice break. I'm watching QQQ at that 397 level too. 15% on Apple now. Let's go 20% on Apple. $30 on Apple now. Anyone catch Apple with me? I told you guys tech off the open was going to be the focus. Meta nasty sell, but Apple, guys, this was the huge hourly breakout that I was talking about. So the next level is where this Rogue Wick is in pre-market 183 area. But you guys can see we took that hourly level or the hourly trend line right there, and we're exploding. QQQ is about to break 397.40, and if it does, we can trade QQQ the exact same way that we traded it yesterday. But Apple's still sitting at 30% now. Yeah, I'm watching Piton. It's just got a we're just dojing right now on the 5. Once we get that 665 break, I think Piton's going to be big. I'm going to keep Mara up on screen too in case we see some massive volume coming in on the ETF approval. Here goes Q's, guys. Apple 182.5s are about to be in the money. QQQ 397.35. The key level is 397.40. There we go. We're in the money now on Apple. 182.75. If we break that on Apple, we're gonna get probably 185. Notice QQQ is rejecting 397.40 so far. There's 40% on Apple. We break 182.75, we probably get 100% on this. There goes Apple. Whole market looks like it's getting ready to go. Meta, new high of day. QQQ looking really solid. Wow, BA does look really good. Meta is exploding now, guys. Going for 350. What a dip on Meta. This name is absolutely exploding. Yeah, hourly breakout on Apple's money. And we hit our target, right? So the target was 182.74. The high of day on Apple right now is 182.73. So easily able to scale, nice 40%, nice trade on a Friday. If we break this 182.75 level, that's where we're going to see a massive, massive move to the upside. And it looks like it's happening now. We're back at 40%. So I said if we can break 182.75 on the 5 minute, we got 25 seconds on this candle. But if we break that, Apple goes to 185, in my opinion. Qs are having a hard time right now getting over that 397.40 level. Nice work, bro. 20% on the port. That's huge. Nice pullback there across everything, right? Apple, nice pullback. QQQ, nice pullback. SPY's got to hold the 200 EMA here. And if it does, we'll see a nice move. All right, it took QQQ 399 calls, guys, just like I did yesterday. We'll see how this one shakes out. I like the risk to reward if we can get over 397.40 here on QQQ. I think these things can explode just like they did yesterday. Except today, I think we could see a nice bigger move, right? 150, 200% trade if we get over 397.40. So QQQ 399 calls expire today. Five seconds on the 5-minute candle. All right, we're green on QQQ here. See if we can get a nice move up. I'm telling you guys, over 397.40. It's the exact same trade that we took yesterday. The exact same trade. Same level, same everything. We just have to get 397.40. But I bought the pullback, and now we're up 15% on QQQ. And if we break 397.40, it's probably a 30, 40, 50% trade for us. Yeah, Bank of America looks good. Detective. Spy's looking good as well. We could break out key level here, 468.59. I think we can break it if tech can break 397.40 level. I would love to see a QQQ rocket right here. If we get this breakout over 397.40, I'll take a scale, probably half my position on the breakout. Yeah, guys, Meta is level to level right now. Straight green candles. Break 351.70, and Meta's got a chance to get 355. All right, there was that test again on QQQ. SPY made a new high of day. Qs really have to get 397.40. If we get that, it's going to fly. No, I'm not in Apple. I took my profits on Apple. It went 40%. I'm sure it's probably red now if anyone's still in Apple. Anytime I get a 40%, Tony, like I'm not holding that red. So I scaled at our target. My target was 182.75, and that's where I scaled half my position. I'm just in QQQ right now. Sitting up 10%. Another high day push on SPY. Tesla with a stick, guys. Candle close right at the key level on Qs. Now we're breaking. 25% now on QQQ. There we go. This is the move we were looking for, guys. But make sure you guys are locking in your profits when they're handed to you. Tesla really catching some bids at 200 EMA right now. Rivian looking really, really nice too. A lot of names setting up. That low a day dip on Peloton might have been a gift. Peloton's trying. That's 666 level. If we break that, it's going to go. QQQ's holding value, guys, at 397.40. If we can get SPY over 468.60, I think we got a chance. Tesla's looking really, really good. Here goes Piton. 666 breakout right here. Piton explosion. There it is. I took Lotto Weekly Peloton 7s at $10, guys. This is a huge level on Peloton. If it breaks this, these 7s probably go in the money. Like if we break and hold it. There goes Peloton. 20% now on the Pelotons. Oh, 30%. Peloton just paid, guys. Absolutely paid. We're still going on Peloton. %40 now on Peloton. 50% on the weeklies. Oh my goodness. 55%. 80% on the weeklies now. These things are absolutely exploding. What a move. Hopefully someone caught that scalp on Peloton with me. Tesla looking really good. Bank of America looking good. QQQ and SPY are still in trend, guys. Yeah, that is odd volume, Rod, at that 954 candle. But it's like not moving at all. Bank of America keeps going. It's nonstop. Data in a minute, I think, right? ISM manufacturing. Bring back the Jolts data from December where we just got like a $4 stick. I want those data days back. Five seconds on data. Brace yourself. Oh, breakout. We are so paid. We are so paid. 30% on QQQ. Wow. Now let's see if we get continuation. We should get continuation to the upside. There it goes. 55%. Hopefully you guys took that with me. Q's just exploded. The exact same trade, guys, that we took yesterday. 397.40, exact same level. Now you see why I've been saying key levels are everything, guys, when it comes to trading. If you have key levels, you can make so much money. 60% on QQQ now. 65%. 70% now. Just an insane move right here. 80% now. %90. 105%, guys. Same trade as yesterday. Same exact trade. Nothing was different. QQQ absolutely paid. 40% on Apple, guys. 115% on QQQ. Peloton now back to 60%. These sevens are about to go in the money on Peloton. We're absolutely paid all across the board. Huge, huge Friday, guys. Absolutely insane day today. Wonder how the Perma Bears are doing. Thanks, Candlestick. Appreciate it, man. Hope you're doing well, brother. Yeah, Friday payday. Let's go. Now everybody can go into the weekend, enjoying their weekend. Oh, man. 125% now on QQQ. Bro, Peloton. 100% on Peloton now. Those weeklies absolutely paid. Bro. Yo. Oh man, what a day. What a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. It's only 10:07, guys. We've only been at this for 30 minutes. Let's go, Green Candlestick. I'm hyped to see you over there, bro. I really don't think anyone else is trading at the level we are, guys. Every single day. Some people might beat us on individual days with bigger gainers, but just the way I don't know. Maybe I'm biased, obviously, but we just this is what we do every single day. Bro, Peloton is insane. 130% on Peloton. Just wild. Like absolutely insane.
What a trade on Peloton.
Bro, that was crazy. I just hit 150% on it.
I'm on 115%. I knew this was gonna happen though. After QX running 50% on the day, I knew they were gonna hit Peloton.
Bro, we killed it. QQQ 399s are about to be in the money too. 2 pennies away from it.
That was another crazy play too.
Yeah, you were all over Peloton, bro.
Yeah, once I saw it because it ran up 7%. I was like, that's not normal. I'm like, it's a new dark drop, so I'm like, this the news might be really bullish for this name. So the Q is running 50% on it today. A lot of Momo goes into other names.
Guys, I scaled some Peloton there at $26 a contract from 11. QQQ just hit 399, so we went in the money for a second. We hit 140% on Qs. So just make sure you're scaling profits and being careful.
Nobody should go around this trade.
Yeah, facts. If you're red from any of these trades, you gotta look at your risk management.
Next spot on Peloton is 750. Really top. Are you imagining it's like 5 days over the weekend or something crazy?
Oh, that would be insane. Bro, this algo is like a cheat code right now, I feel like.
Yeah, bro. It's not just $3.
That's insane.
But now it's having Peloton calls. It's like 7s at this price right now. We got that open. That's probably us low key.
Bro, if Peloton breaks highs, it has room to 750.
Yeah. Oh yeah, isn't the Bitcoin thing my thing?
I think so. Yeah, I thought about swinging something over the weekend.
Yeah, that could explode.
There's 5 spots left on the algo, guys, if you guys want the beta test of it. Let me post it for you. There's the link to it if you guys want it. You'll get granted access as soon as you sign up for it. And if you go with the diamond tier, basically what you get is you pay instead of paying 99 a month for Alpine, you pay 147, but you get a 40% referral for the rest of your life. So if you bring someone into Alpine, you just get 40% whatever they spend at Alpine. Like I said, one of you guys, I won't mention who, but already has like I think it's $700 check coming to them on a referral. But there's 5 spots on that. Yeah, hit him up for sure. What was yesterday's high on QQQ? 399.59. We just got a really nice rejection right there, right at 399. All right, guys, I'm all cash now.
Yeah, I have nothing but runners on my next week for Pelotons.
What a day, guys. Yeah, so oh, go ahead, Swaggy.
But he's just asking about JV, but I'm not really interested in JV until it breaks 1859. I think that's the big one. Unless you're trying to swing from here to see if they can go all the way up to that. Not really looking at it.
9%. Let's go, Strain. That's going to compound, bro. 9% per day. That's huge. That's over 50% in a week. All right, you guys on voice. Give me a W if we're green today. Huge day. Insane. Yeah, that's insane. We killed it today. And the best part is it's we're not even an hour into the day, and you guys can go screw around the rest of the day or get back to your work or whatever it is you want to do. I'm still going to see if we get more setups that set up. I'm not going to jump off yet, but we can be a little more risk on knowing that we had a big day today. Nice work, Bryson. And so hopefully we have a big day next week because we'll all be in person. Well, the people that are going to be in person. If we have a big day, bottle service is on Swaggy next week. Yeah, we're gonna do a virtual too next week. So what I'm gonna do is hang on one second. What I'm gonna do next week, guys, is we're gonna live trade on Friday morning, and then once we're done in the morning session, what I'm thinking we'll do is we'll go into live workshops. So building watch lists, building like finding levels, things like that. Tesla's exploding, by the way, and Nvidia's hitting a new high of day. And all that stuff will be streamed out. So you guys will have access to all those. We'll put the links here in Discord, so you guys can all be a part of it virtually, and everyone else will be there live in person. That way, those of you that can't get there, it's not like you're going to miss out on it. Harry Wang's back on Twitter. He said, he was in Houston. I think he's in Miami now. You guys know what's his name? Wall Street Goat. Gus. Yeah, the Wall Street Goat on IG, and he's on Twitter too. I can't remember his name. He's got a bigger following on IG. He's in Miami, but it's the Wall Street Goat on IG. Yeah, Harry Wang's biggest loss was like 2.3 million. I'm trying to get Gus to get there though. Wall Street Goat. Do you guys know Mr. 28 on Twitter?
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll be in Houston, live trading Friday with us too.
Smack some XPX.
Yeah, bro, it's so funny. When I was in Houston last time, we all went out one night, and it was me, Zach Morris, and then it's probably like, however, I mean, 8 people, 10 people, something like that. We all went out, and we're like sitting at the like we go into like this bar club area, and like this dude turns around and he was like, "Yo, you're Zach Morris," and he was like, "Yeah, what's up, man?" And then he was like, he looked at me, he's like, "Yo, you're Strat," and I was like, "Yeah," and he's like, "Yo," he's like, "I follow you on Twitter," and I'm like, "Oh, dope," like, you know, and he's like, "I got like a little bit of a following," and I'm like thinking, "Okay, cool," and then he's like, "Yeah, this is my Twitter right here, Mr. 28." I'm like, "Bro, I've been following you, like, I didn't know that was you," but he never doxed himself, so we like randomly ran into him. Yeah, I'm gonna tell Stan it's a real estate conference and Shar is gonna be there presenting.
Yo, is Dan still in Houston or not?
No, he went back to Alabama.
Yo, that Piton did got ate up.
It did, yeah. So did the QQQ like pull back. Every name it looks like that pulled back kind of got more.
Yeah.
Nvidia is about to get 490. Eli Lilly high day. Yeah. I got a feeling they're going to surprise people on this Bitcoin ETF. Nice work, Pedro. That's a professional trader setup right there. Not chasing, just waiting for the pullback, grabbing it, riding it to high day. Tesla's looking really good. New high day on Tesla.
Like the only thing that's
Yeah, it's stuck.
See?
Peloton still looks good.
Yeah, so I don't even know this, but CNBC put out like a report saying that what's it called, that Apple might be buying Peloton. So that's probably why it's moving this much. I didn't even know CNBC said that.
Bro, imagine getting Peloton like 7 calls on that dip at low of day.
Yeah.
Yeah. If Apple buys Peloton, I guarantee they'll buy it for like $20, $25 a share. Like it'll be huge. $4, Vinny. Those things went to like what, $30? Something like that. I sold some of mine at $27.
I should have bought weeklies. I should have bought both. I went heavy on Mexican stuff. You took 1,000 contracts?
Yeah, BA man is like a baller.
You made me feel like shit.
Vinny's like, damn, I gotta step my game up now.
I mean, if they just lose $2, you're on 2.
I'm not gonna lie, I do like taking like even contracts. So I know like if I buy like $1 and I get like 100 of them, then like every dollar you move up, like
every 10's a grand.
Yeah.
Yeah. He actually slept with all the contracts.
Oh man.
No, that's a player.
It's about to break, I think. More upside.
Yeah, we break this. We see that. Bro, they give us a halt, bro. The contracts are gonna, I need you so hard. I don't have a double inside bar. Oh yeah, pop. You called that one out yesterday too. Triple S off my book. Nah, you're different, bro. Bro slapped 11 grand on LDTs. The volume is already about to be yesterday's volume on time, so that's something to know. It's already a 30-minute volume. Remember in 2022 they had Apple buyout rumors, and this thing jumped like 30-40% the next day. So That's when it ran to like 18 bucks.
Yeah, it's a good point, Sigma, with beats. What's the float size on Peloton? We calculate this pretty quickly. I appreciate that, Sun Soul. Appreciate the kind words, man. Peloton outstanding shares. 358 million. So theoretically, right, if they buy them for 3 billion,
Yeah, there we go.
if they bought them for 3 billion, it'd only be worth like $8.30 a share. I would think it's probably going to come in around like 5 billion if they were to actually get a buyout.
Yeah. I don't think it's less than 15 bucks.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. 5 billion would be right around 15. Oh, Peloton's about to break now. Bro, QQQ. Going for that yesterday's high on Qs. Tesla's about to get 240. Nvidia's over 490 now. Yeah, Apple with the wedge breakout. And keep your eyes on coin too, guys. Coin's starting to pick up some volume on these lower time frames. Last 2-minute candles have about 150K worth of volume. Wonder what he's doing. Is he short today again? Probably.
Peloton's going for something.
Yeah, bro. I wish I still had those sevens, those weeklies.
Bro, the sevens are at 29 right now. Well, they opened at $1 today. No way. Bro, they did open up at $1.
That's insane.
it's on 70%. We're at least gonna get 20% up on the.
All right, Dempsey. Have a great weekend, brother. See you next week. Yeah, Sunsoul. Send me a DM on IG and I'll help you. New high down Peloton. Yeah. If this thing goes to 750, bro, those sevens. Oh my god. They're at 33 per right now. It's like 220% right now from where I had it.
What's that one person that got?
That's 1,000%.
Oh yeah.
At strat_trades is my IG. This is a big spot on NVIDIA, by the way. Let me show you guys why. Let me go to bigger screen for you guys on YouTube. Oh shoot, NVIDIA is about to do it. I don't know. The fibber might have got himself into a trap. The way some of these charts are setting up. Look at NVIDIA. It's back in the trend now. He was calling for rug pull, but Friday fireworks. If you look at the 5-minute on NVIDIA, we're back in that daily zone now. If we close in this, that's my bold prediction. Yeah, everyone's going to get reblocked. QQQ is about to go for yesterday's high. Don't worry, Will. I invited Jensen to the Alpine meetup next week, so we can ask him some NVIDIA related questions.
I just heard that CNBC video. They said minimum that Apple it would be like $9 to $10.
Really? Damn.
Yeah. Well, that's for saying like the minimum.
That's like a 30% jump from here.
Yeah. They're saying that this if Apple was gonna do this, it's the year that Apple would buy floats. It's kind of funny how like it works because yesterday JP Morgan also said that this is the year of M&As.
Yeah, I think it is going to be, especially if they do rate cuts, because people are going to be able to get money so much cheaper to be able to buy other companies.
Yeah. Which would be huge, bro. You can time those options, bro.
Bro, if we catch a couple of those buyouts, like,
yeah, it's insane.
It'll be like your what did the Twitter trade that you took? What was that, like a 30,000% gain or something?
Yeah, when I actually caught it for some size was I sold it around 7,000%, but if I would kept it one more day, it rents like 15,000%. And then the day that I logged was some weeklies at $1 and won 17,000%. Bro, I still remember that day. I forgot that I even had those contracts until one of my homeboys that trades here like locally. He called me. He was like, bro, I just hit Twitter. I was like, bro, what are you talking about? He called me like at 5 in the morning. Talking like it just blowing up my phone, and I was like, oh shit, I forgot about missing too.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was the crazy part.
Thoughts on Apple? If we break 182.75 is game on. If Apple breaks that, I think we can see 185 pretty quickly. Yeah, this is also coming from Swaggy, who called. What was your DWAC play? Was it like 35,000%?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's insane. Bro, imagine having like 10 G's on that trade.
Yeah, but see, like stuff like that, like it's not realistic. Like when you catch plays like that, more than likely you're not in like down heavy. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like, for example, that DWAC play, like after those contracts, I forgot he had those contracts, and it was Thursday going into Friday, so they're basically gonna be worthless the next morning. You see what I'm saying? So, like,
Yeah.
It's not something that I'm throwing a ban in just to lose a ban the next morning if it doesn't happen.
Yeah.
More than likely, it's not gonna happen. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. But that's the power of the options, though. You can risk a little bit and make 350x. Like,
exactly. That's what I which I still think DWAG is going to be a 10x once the SEC finally clears that thing. Especially with the election coming up, I wouldn't doubt that it was good. Yeah, well, it's just like kind of having like a feeling and just keeping up with news to trying to see when they're gonna announce something because and me and my homeboy Wiz, this is something that we always did. Like we did this with the Safe merger, the Activision merger. We would literally put bids at like 101, like on every strike for like I don't know for like at least every week for like a month out. We just put bids and just wait to get billed, like randomly get billed. And then we will get filled, and you're literally not risking even any money. You're getting filled at $1. And if it works, then it's a 20, 30x. And if it doesn't, then you didn't really lose anything because you bought them at $1.
Yeah, you and Wiz would catch some of those plays like crazy.
Yeah. Man, I told him to pull up to Houston, but he had just got his job. Ain't bought it just yet.
Is he in Texas?
Nah, he's in Atlanta. But one day though, I am gonna catch one of those plays with some insane size of one day I will. You look, you think D-Wag is gonna announce the merger after the January option expires. So, because they said the merger is gonna be done in the first quarter, so I'm gonna buy. We hope to get billed at $1 every week so that they have.
You guys think you think Cancun's the move for Q2 meetup? I think it would just be like it's so cheap too to do Cancun. Like
It is cheap.
as long as everybody's got their passport, and if you don't, you can apply for it right now. I think it's like $100 maybe less than that. Expedited passport. Yeah, exactly. Don't worry, Bryson. We'll just put you on we can put you on a private jet and just hand you a new passport when you land. Here, Bryson, use this while you're in Mexico.
Theory has some volume.
I'm gonna give you guys an idea of like the prices I was telling you about in Cancun. If we go like first weekend in May.
It's almost like exploding.
All right, let me just show you guys this. This is like what I was thinking about. That's if I'm coming from DC to Cancun. That's my flight. That's my hotel, Thursday to Sunday. $970. Is it?
Yeah, amazing. That is cheap.
Yeah, that's all your food. That's all your drinks. That's your flight and your hotel. QQQ New Hive Day. No Cancun date yet. Guppy, we'll talk about it next week in Houston. We'll lock it down. We'll solidify the date because I'm gonna do a bigger promo cycle on that one. I think that one could be a huge meetup. Bro, I keep getting like scammers that call me every single day. Landman, that was me. That's the thing, Saad. Like I block them, and then it's like the same number. They just change like the last number, like an 888 number. It always says scam likely.
Yeah, I don't answer phone calls like that no more, bro. I had this one incident, bro. It got really bad.
Yes, I hate it.
Yeah.
1 second, guys.
flowing through there.
That's insane, bro. Like, but they can do like I have there's this video. Let me drop this TikTok for you guys actually. The guy that was doing some of my stuff before, he's not doing it now, but when he was doing it, um, if you watch this video, let me copy link. This is he sent this to
Yeah.
me and it's not even me. Like I was like, "Bro, how did you do that?" Like and he was like, "Oh, I can just like take your voice and make it say whatever I wanted to." Like that TikTok, it's on my TikTok account and it sounds just like me, but I'd never said any of those words. I was like, "Bro, this is freaky like what they can do now." Like and Nvidia actually came out with this new software I've been looking at like if you like if like news anchors and stuff like that read on a teleprompter, sometimes you can see their eyes moving across the teleprompter. Nvidia has this new software out now where it like will deep fake your eyes to where like your eyes don't move at all. Like it's the craziest thing ever. Pretty soon they're gonna be able to take a picture of you, bro, and just be like, make this person say this like in a video, like, and it'll never be you that even did it.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that thing was crazy because like it caught me so off guard too.
I'm not gonna lie, Nvidia looks really bullish right now on the daily time frame. As long as we don't sell, this candle is pretty bullish back in this pattern. Yeah, see how Apple's getting smacked at this key level? That's why I think someone asked me, what do I think about Apple right here? It did break. It was a nice scalp up to that level. But once we break 182.75, Apple's got a chance to fly. Bro, Nvidia is going parabolic right now. 500's on deck if we clear this 495 and hold it.
Yeah, they got up last on there. Oh, well, you're right. Video's doing it.
I don't like that that the candle on Nvidia's 5 minute here. 30 seconds to go on it, but like I said, 495 is the key. If we hold 495, 500 comes next. If QQQ can break out over 400, I think we'll get to 500. Nice work, Shindy. I think Nvidia is going to do it, guys. They bought the dip on that 5-minute candle. I think you man, I think I'd use honestly I don't know what I have. I think I have premium, pretty sure. Maybe I don't. I pay like $14 a month, I think. Yeah, that Black Friday sale is crazy that they did. Big sell on Apple. Now you guys know why I didn't want a long Apple until 182.75. Nvidia holding up relatively well with strength, even with these 2 candle sells. I just saw your comment, Bojuk. The Bitcoin miners over the weekend, it could be a play to take, but I wouldn't be taking anything crazy. Like I wouldn't take any heavy. Um, but you could take flyers on it. But I'm gonna bounce out as well, guys. Great day today. It's going into the 12 o'clock hour here Eastern time. Had a really, really big day. Next week on Friday, we're gonna do the exact same thing, and then we're gonna start the live workshops after we're done trading. And then we'll do a panel discussion as well, so you guys can see that, and all that will be live streamed. We'll bring the links to you guys here in Alpine for those of you that aren't going to be able to make it. If you want to be a part of it, it'll be recorded too. We'll have stuff on YouTube and all of those good things. So looking forward to it. But great day today, guys. Let's keep the momentum going in 2024. If you guys are green this week, congratulations! It's your first green week of the year. There will be red weeks. The goal is going to be to minimize the red that we have. Right? Win big, win small, lose small. Right? You never want to lose big. So keep managing everything. And that's the way to grow, guys. Big wins aren't going to grow your account. It's the ability to take small losses when you do take a loss. If you take big losses, that's how you ruin your account. So we've all been there. Everyone's done it. It's just a matter of, actually doing it. We can all talk the talk. You got to be able to walk the walk, though. But, all right, guys, I'm bouncing out. Great weekend. I'll see you guys on Sunday for the Sunday scan. Anyone that's new, and even if you guys aren't new, we're doing an onboarding call on Sunday before the Sunday scan. So talking about all the different things that we have in Alpine. Anyone that's on the algo, we'll talk about the algo, things like that. There will be a Zoom link emailed to you guys. If you guys signed up, there, like I said, there's 4 spots left now for that sign up. I'll drop it here for the free trial. It gives you access to everything that we offer. But you guys will, if you guys sign up for this, you'll get a Zoom link sent to you for the onboarding call before the Sunday scan on Sunday. So I'll talk to you guys Sunday. I'll be around in chat. So if you guys need anything, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon.